all adab. Welcome back to our channel Celestial Beings. I am Leher Gupta, a student of Bachelor's of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences.
Obesity is a big problem nowadays. In fact, the school-going children are being affected too.
Obesity is just not a cosmetic condition. It's harmful to one's health as it is a risk factor for many conditions. We need to learn more about the causes of obesity. Then we need to change the ways we treat it. When obesity is accepted as a chronic disease, it will be treated like other chronic diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure. The treatment of obesity cannot be a short-term fix but has to be an ongoing life process. Obesity treatment must acknowledge that even modest weight loss can be beneficial. Today in the market we see a lot of medicines are available for weight loss. Some amount of the weight loss may be accomplished by the medicines, but that's not a permanent cure. Well, do you know why a person puts on a weight? Basically, it's the imbalance between the intake and the burning of calories. So by eating less and exercising more, a person can easily burn the weight. Nowadays, we find a lot of medicines in the market available for weight loss. But some amount of weight loss is evident by them, but it's not a permanent cure. So today, the team of Celestial Beings is here with the permanent cure by using the ancient yoga technique.
Let's start with the workout. We will be beginning with the leg workout, starting with side kicks, in which one of the leg will be extended 10 times from each leg, in total 20 counts. Second exercise is squat. We will be doing the squats for 20 times. Moving to the third exercise, leg swinging. 10 times from each leg. Starting from the third exercise, that is jogging. We will be doing the jogging in 3 variations. Firstly, we will jog on our toes slowly, followed by leg raising forward. We will bend backwards a little and start jogging. Now, we will be doing backwards jogging, that our legs will be hitting our buttocks. And we will do normal jogging again. Moving on to the next exercise, that is toe touch. We will kick one leg up in the sky and touch it with the other hand. 10 times from each leg, in total 20 counts. Moving on to the next exercise, that is lunges. We will take one leg ahead and lunge 10 times from each leg.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever
Let's start with upper body workout. We will begin with alternate toe touch, 10 times each leg.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
Moving to the next exercise, that is side bending. We will be bending each side 10 times. We will feel the stretch on our side body. Forward and backward bending. Now we will be bending our body forward and backward.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Moving to the next exercise, that is body twisting. We will be twisting our upper body.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the
Moving to the next exercise, that is wall push-up. Taking support of a wall, we will be doing push-ups.
fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Moving on to the next exercise, that is plank. We will be doing plank in variations. Plank is one of the most important exercise. We will try to hold the plank position for at least 45 seconds in the beginning. Then gradually we will increase the time. Let's begin with the hands exercises. We will begin with arm rotation. 10 times from each arm.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Moving on to the shoulder rotation. 10 times we will rotate each shoulder. Now we will be performing arm crossover. We will be crossing over our arms.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want
Let's start with supine exercises. We will begin with cycling.
these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Moving on to the next exercise, that is leg rotation. We will be rotating one leg at a time first, 10 times each leg.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Then we will be rotating both the legs together.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Now we will be moving to the third exercise, that is crunches. Minimum 25 crunches should be done in the beginning, then gradually we can increase our sets.